Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Happy Mail box to share with you all. And this is from a lovely friend. Everybody knows Mommy and her four little ladies. I have a little fan friend that I love so dearly. Her name is Lexi. This is Gabby's daughter, and she wanted to send me Happy Mail. Oh my gosh. So I told her I'm going to make a video so I can post it up as soon as possible. So let me get into this. Look at her lovely art right here, guys. Just let me share with you. Look at her beautiful box. Look at what she made. So pretty. I love it. I love it, Lexi. Thank you so much, sweetheart. You are so awesome. I can see all your crafty. Oh my goodness, look at this little face right here. I just saw it right when I was opening the box. This one says, boo. You're so cute, baby doll. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I'm so surprised. Thank you, Lexi and Mommy, for sending me this beautiful box. My goodness, you did not have to send me anything. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. I haven't gotten into it. Look at it already coming. Lexi, what did you do, sweetheart? Oh my goodness. Wow, look at all this fun shred. You are awesome, baby. Look at this. This gorgeous kitty. Look at the kitty. I wonder. Oh, so cute. Look at this kitty. I don't want to take it out because it has a lot of fallout, but look. Ooh. What's this? What's Ashlyn? Is this Michael's? I forget. I saw Gabby going through, I forget what store, but I was just watching and enjoying her. Oh, look. And she shared me some stickers. Thank you, sweetie. Oh, whoops. All the shreds are pulling off the sticker. Oh. So cute. Thank you, love. Thank you so much. Keep the shred. You know this, right? This is so cute. Look at this. Oh, so cool. Oh, let's see. I see a letter. Let me see. What does it say? Enjoy, my sweet friend. Oh, Gabby. P.S. Lexi made you Happy Mail. It's the green wrap paper. I made the purple and the white. Oh my gosh. She made the rest with Dad's help. Oh, she insisted on the gold yarn. Oh, Lexi, thank you so much, sweetheart. Look at what she sent me. Merry Days. Merry Days ephemera, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you, Lexi. Thank you, Gabby. This is the gold one she's talking about, guys. It has sequins. It has sequins. Let me see. Let me see. Ooh, Lexi. You got good taste, honey. Yes, you do. Look at this yummy, yummy yarn string. Whichever. It's beautiful. It's got tiny, teeny, tiny gold sequins on there. You guys see that? It's so pretty. It's iridescent even. When I tip it a little bit, you could see some of that iridescent. Thank you, sweetie. Oh my goodness. Look at all the fun. Look, fun confetti. Ladies, look at this. This is so much fun. I love it. Oh, she gave me the boo. Oh my gosh. Gabby. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. It feels like a wax, but it's not. That is so crazy. That is so crazy to me. Oh, thank you, Gabby. That's so cute. I want to get to Lexi's little package. Looky, look, and look. Oh my goodness. Look, she used the bow. And like pretty little bow. Oh, let's see. Let me see. I don't want to ruin it. Let me untie this little package right here. So pretty. I love the colors, Lexi. Look at this. I'm going to leave the bow right there. Oh, more confetti. It's so nicely wrapped. Wow. Oh, look. Look at what she put. Oh. She got the little Halloween flowers, guys, and she's got her centers going. Look, she's got skills already. And she got the puffy heart. I love the colors. Oh, Lexi, thank you so much. And she gave us fun foams. Oh, look at the little penguin. Oh, you guys, this is too cute. So cute. Look at her. She's got the igloo, the burr. Cute little penguins. Oh, this is so fun. Whoops. Have an ice day. That's so cute, Lexi. Thank you, honey. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this cute little igloo. Whoop, whoop. Oh, she shared with me her goodies. So cute. Thank you, dear. Oh my goodness. Gabie. Oh, girl. I love you, girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this cute bag, guys. It has a carousel. It has the cupcake, unicorn cupcake. That's so cute. Oh my God. Really? This is so cute, guys. Oh my goodness. What is this? What? She gave me a sequin mix. Oh, that's so cute. Lexi. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at all the purple. There's little bows in there. And she put her little stickers. Look, cute. And the pumpkin and the kitty cat. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys can see all that. And there's little pink bows also and hearts. Wow. You did awesome, baby. Oh my goodness. Look. Look at her beads. Oh, this is so fun. Ooh, look at these. Gabie, did you say you made the beads? Oh, I made the purple and white beads. Oh, okay. Oh, cute. Look at that, Gabie. Wow. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at the beads. Oh, wow. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, Gabie. I love these colors. Oh my goodness. I love this, the purple and the black. This is so perfect for Halloween. I'm ready. I'm ready. Even past Halloween. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is so cute. Did you do this one? I love it. These are so adorable. Thank you, Gabie and Lexi. You guys are awesome, but I so love this little shaker box. I'm going to put you right here up on my little shelf right here so I can see you every day. Yes, Miss Lexi. Oh my goodness, girly. You got some skills already. Yes. I'm going to keep this right here. Actually, I should just take it out of that. I'm going to cover it up. Let's save that confetti also. Let's see. This is so fun. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't know which way to go. Here we go. Here we go. So pretty. Thank you, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. What in the world is this? Okay, these are not dewdrops. These are not dewdrops, guys. This is something else. What is this? It's like little colored diamonds. Wow, Gabie. What? Look at this. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so pretty. Just a dab of, what is it called? What is that? Glossy accents. And it'll hold it in place. And you gave me so much. And then you gave me another color. Oh my gosh, Gabie. Wow. So much. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. It's sticking. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Like little pretty gemmies. And it's plastic, but it's so pretty. Look at how colorful and bright that is. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love it. Thank you so much. Wow. Ooh. Look at these envelopes. You guys. What is it called? It just says envelopes, number 9 envelopes. But that is so cool, Gabby. You didn't have to do all this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, you could fit so much stuff in here, guys. Like loads and loads of stickers. That is so cute. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. And you gave me so many. Oh gosh. This is so cool. I love that envelope and the colors. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at the colors, you guys. Thread. So we could stitch all on our stuff. Yes. Look at these colors. Look at that purple. And there's a gray even. I love the grays, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Whoops. I'm just going to pour it all out because I'm going to use them. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. You guys. I really am so caught off guard with this. Like, this is so overwhelming. So much love right here. Thank you so much, Gabby. Thank you so much, Lexi, sweetheart. I know you watch the videos. Thank you. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm trying better to not say bad words. I'm doing my best, Lexi. Okay? Oh my gosh. And what did she send here? What is this? This beautiful purple tissue paper. Oh my gosh, Gabby. What did you do now? What is this? I see something under here that I'm just going to probably freak out at. And please forgive me. Oh my god. Oh my god, Gabby. What? Oh my gosh, Gabby. I'm ridiculous because I love paper. Look at this. You guys. She sent me Mary Days. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Gabby. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh. I'm so sorry. I'm trying not to be so ridiculous. This is so gorgeous. Gabby, thank you for sharing this with me. Oh my goodness. What is this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Christmas Village. Bo Bunny. Oh my goodness. What? Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous, you guys. Have you ever seen this? Have you ever seen this paper? Oh, Gabby. Lexi. Oh my goodness. I'm so touched. I'm overwhelmed with love right now, and I'm so appreciative of you all, Gabby and Lexi, for just being my friends. And you not have to send all this to me, but look at this. I gotta take this out. I gotta take this out because she did so much good work on this. Look at this. You guys, look. Look. Layers. There's 3 layers of flowers here. And Lexi did this. Lexi! Thank you, sweetheart. Oh my goodness. You are in my heart. Oh my goodness. Please go check out Mommy and Her 4 Little Ladies here on YouTube, and Gabie Moi on IG. Send her some love because she is so giving of her love. Look at all of this. And she's raising her babies well because Miss Little Lexi, she wanted to share this all with us. So thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, ladies, for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time.